Welcome to this masterclass on computer vision and multimodal AI. This session is built for absolute beginners. Intuition over jargon, no code over complexity, mental models over memorization. How to use this? Pause when I say try it yourself. Note down answers and revisit timestamps to review key topics. By the end, you will be able to explain how machines see, detect, read, and combine information. Segment 1, Pixels, Patterns. What you will learn: images as arrays, augmentations, generalization, explanation. Images are just grids of numbers. AI learns patterns from them the way toddlers recognize cats, by repeated exposure. Example: email classification, work versus personal, based on repeated training examples. Micro exercise: write down input, process, output for one task you care about. Pitfalls: overfitting, edge cases, privacy leaks, ethics. Who could be harmed? Do we have consent? Quiz: high training accuracy, poor test accuracy equals overfitting. Mini recap: key terms, input, label, pattern, generalization. Segment 2, Detection and Segmentation. What you will learn: bounding boxes versus masks, trade-offs, quality checks, explanation. Detection finds objects, segmentation outlines them. Example: self-driving cars, detecting pedestrians. Medical AI segmenting tumors. Micro exercise: look at one object near you. Imagine bounding, box versus outline mask. Pitfalls: boxes overlap, masks slow down systems. Ethics: surveillance misuse, unfair exclusions. Quiz: which is more precise, box or mask? Answer: mask. Mini recap: boxes equals fast, masks equals precise. Segment 3, OCR and Document AI. What you will learn: extracting text, layout understanding, use cases. Explanation: OCR equals optical character recognition, reads text from images. Document AI goes further, understanding structure. Example: bank scanning checks, HR scanning resumes. Micro exercise: pick a receipt. What 3 fields should AI extract? Pitfalls: bad scans, handwritten notes. Ethics: sensitive IDs require consent. Quiz: OCR reads text. Document AI understands layout. True or false? Answer: true. Mini recap: OCR equals words, Document AI equals structure. Segment 4, Multimodal AI. What you'll learn: text plus image, vision language tasks, boundaries. Explanation: AI can now combine senses, image plus caption, Q&A on pictures. Example: describe this photo. Tasks: or generating an image from text prompt. Micro exercise: take a photo, write your own caption. Imagine AI writing one. Pitfalls: captions may reinforce bias. Ethics: generated content may mislead. Quiz: what does multimodal mean? Combining multiple input types. Mini recap: multimodal equals richer understanding. Segment 5, Edge and Mobile AI. What you will learn: on-device, latency, privacy, explanation. Edge AI equals models running locally, not cloud. Example: phase unlock, offline translations, smart farming sensors. Micro exercise: check one app on your phone that uses AI offline. Pitfalls: battery drain, limited storage. Ethics: more privacy but harder updates. Quiz. Which is faster, Cloud AI or Edge AI? Edge AI mini recap. Edge equals faster, safer. Segment 6. Data issues. What you will learn. Annotation quality, class imbalance, rare events, explanation, data shapes vision, AI, poor data equals poor model. Example, medical imaging often lacks diversity in samples. Micro exercise. Think of one dataset you'd build. What bias could it carry? Pitfalls. Too few rare cases, skewed models, ethics, biased data, unfair outputs. Quiz. If dataset is mostly one class, what issue arises? Class imbalance. Mini recap. Data matters more than model. Segment 7. Metrics. What you will learn. IOU per M, AP, confusion matrix, human review, explanation. Metrics tell us if vision models are useful. Example, autonomous car, better to miss a tree or a pedestrian. Metrics help decide. Micro exercise, draw a small confusion matrix with two classes. Pitfalls, relying only on accuracy. Ethics, some errors cost more lives. Quiz, what metric compares overlap? IOU, mini recap. Metrics equals truth checkers. Segment 8. Tools. What you'll learn. Teachable machine. AutoML no code demos. Explanation. You don't need coding to start with Vision AI. Example. Google's teachable machine can classify hand poses. Micro exercise. Try training one with 20 photos from your webcam. Pitfalls. Easy tools can create overconfidence. Ethics. No code doesn't mean no responsibility. Quiz. What tool lets you train in minutes? Teachable machine. Mini recap. Start simple, scale later. Segment 9. Case study. What you'll learn. Quality control, ROI, safety, explanation. Factories use AI to detect defects in real time. Example, Coca-Cola uses Vision AI to detect bottle cap errors. Micro exercise. Think of one industry where Vision saves money. Pitfalls, false alarms slow down operations. Ethics, job displacement risk. Quiz. What's the main business reason to deploy Vision? ROI plus safety. Mini recap. Case studies prove value. Segment 10. Bias and fairness. What you will learn. Demographic bias, pitfalls, mitigation, explanation. Face recognition sometimes fails, more on darker skin tones. Example, AI soap dispensers once failed to detect darker hands. Micro exercise. List one way to make your dataset fairer. Pitfalls. Training only on one demographic. Ethics. AI must serve everyone equally. Quiz. What's the first step to fight bias? Better data. Mini recap. Fair AI equals trusted. AI. Segment 11. Deployment. What you'll learn. Pipelines, drift monitoring, fallbacks, explanation. Training is only step 1. Deployment is ongoing care. Example, Retail A, I retrain monthly to handle new packaging. Micro exercise. Think of one fallback if your AI fails. Pitfalls. Model drift goes unnoticed. Ethics. Users deserve reliable systems. Quiz. What is drift? Change in data patterns over time. Mini recap. Deploy equals maintain. Segment 12. Action plan. What you will learn. Build a micro project. Collect 100 images. Benchmark results. Explanation. Hands-on is the best way to learn. Example. Train a model to classify your pets versus objects. Micro exercise. Pick one vision project you will try this week. Pitfalls. Starting too big, too soon. Ethics. Even small projects need consent. Quiz. How many images can kickstart a toy project? Till 100 and mini recap. Start small, scale step by step. We covered pixels, patterns, detection, OCR, multimodal AI, edge computing, metrics, tools, case studies, fairness, deployment, and an action plan. Your next step? Download the free Vision Resource Pack. Subscribe to Grow Your Life with AI. Comment AI to get your free kit. The world of AI is visual, and now so are you.